In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Dropbox account password. Let's start from the very beginning. If you've forgotten your Dropbox password, don't worry. This is a common situation, and there's a built-in way to get back into your account safely. The key thing to remember is that you'll need access to the email address that's associated with your Dropbox account, because that's where the reset link will be sent. First, open your web browser and go to your usual search engine. In the search bar, type Recover Dropbox Account Password and press Enter. You should see results from Dropbox right at the top. Look for the official Dropbox site. It will usually mention password reset or account recovery in the title or description. Click on that official result to make sure you're on the real Dropbox website, not a third-party page. Once you're on the Dropbox page for password recovery, you'll typically see a field where you can enter your email address. This has to be the email you used when you signed up for Dropbox. Take a moment to type it in carefully, double-checking for any spelling mistakes. A small typo here can prevent you from receiving the reset email. After entering your email, submit the form. Dropbox will then send a password reset message to that inbox. Now, open a new tab or switch to your email app and sign into your email account. Check your inbox for a message from Dropbox about resetting your password. If you don't see it within a minute or two, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, as automated emails can sometimes end up there. When you find the message, open it and look for the button or link that says something like Reset Password. Click that link. It will take you back to Dropbox on a secure page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. A good tip is to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess, like simple sequences or common words. After you confirm your new password, Dropbox will finalize the change, and you should be able to sign back into your account using your email and the new password you just created. From here, you're all set, and your access to Dropbox is restored.